my channel. I do hope that the lighting stays in this video because I'm dealing with my natural daylight again and it keeps going in and out, in and out. Today I'm going to be filming the 5-minute makeup challenge. This has been around for a little while, but I don't think I've ever done this on my channel and I really want to do it. So if you guys want to see the 5-minute makeup challenge, then just keep on watching. How I helped myself is I kind of just like laid everything out. I hope I didn't forget anything. I don't think I did because this is normally like how I do my makeup in the morning. I have my timer here on my phone. I'm going to press start and then it'll sound off when I'm all done. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. I'm getting text messages already. All right, I can't think. All right, primer. Holy crap. I'm dropping everything already, of course. Alright, I normally always do my foundation with a beauty blender, but today we're gonna use a brush. Because we ain't got time. Oh my God, you know what? I know what I forgot. A mirror. Like a dummy. This is gonna be interesting because I'm supposed to film a video after this. Definitely did not put enough foundation on this brush. Come on, Samantha. Get it together. Okay. Yeah. I haven't worn this foundation in a minute. This is the Maybelline one, but I think this is the dewy version. I don't know how my eyebrows are even gonna make it into this video because it takes me 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. Never do my foundation with a brush, ever. So this is like... This is interesting. I hate the way it looks. What the heck? Alright, I'm gonna go over it with a beauty blender real quick because I think it'll look a little bit better if I do that. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to concealer. I've actually been testing out this new concealer. It's not new, but it's new for me from Ulta. Just because I feel like some of their products get overlooked. And it's super thick. And it's not bad, but it's not my favorite throughout the day. But it's all I have because I ran out of my Shape Tape. So I gotta work with what I got. Oh my gosh. This is really like, oh my God, I have so much anxiety. And I normally always set, so I'm gonna set at least the areas like underneath. Oh my God, it's already been, holy, I don't know how anybody does this challenge. It's almost been like 3 minutes already. What in the heck? All right, that's it for me. Don't even know what's gonna happen with brows right now. That's gonna be a joke. This is the moment where microblading would be helpful. This is where I fall down because it takes me forever to do my brows. That's what it's gonna be today. Literally, I'm not gonna have time for anything. Oh my god, I have 46 seconds. Are you kidding me right now? Alright, let's put on what I need to put on. Like, I need to put on some mascara for sure, otherwise I look dead. Oh my god, I have 20 seconds. This is a freaking joke. Where's my blush brush? Are you kidding? Oh my god, I look crazy. Crazy. Okay. Well, 5 minutes is up. Let's see what I look like. Yeah, no. It's not bad, okay? Definitely not bad. It could have been worse. But 5 minutes is definitely not enough time for me. There's no way. There's people that I see that did like liquid eyeliner, lashes. I didn't even do liner. Like, and oh my god, my mascara looks so wonky. That's terrible. So let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see how I did. So I still look dead. I have no bronzer on. I don't have my life together, obviously. So I did get my foundation on. I got somewhat of a brow, a little bit of mascara, and a little bit of a liquid lipstick. So I do look alive. This is it. This is the final result of the challenge. So that was kind of fun. Now I'm going to try to fix my face a little bit because I do want to film another video after this. And I'm trying to just get it together. Well, hopefully this was just like a fun little challenge to throw in there for you guys because I did want to do some sort of a regular video, and I hope you guys had fun. This was fun. I love doing challenges. I'm still going to be searching for more to do, so let me know if you see any out there that you guys want me to do. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Kyle just got to work. Well, I hope this films because my phone is about to die. I can't tell how I look because I don't have my glasses on and I can't tell if I'm in focus. Of course, I'm getting like 5,000 text messages.